this side.
Whoa. You never even smell. If you see dead body, you go smell past this one. Oh, get. Oh, kugongo. Oh, man, join lo. Shai bomuni. Anybody bomuna? It's not even smelling. Anybody bomu?
The Lagos State Police Command on Thursday confirmed the conclusion of an autopsy on the remains of the late singer, also known as Mohbad. The Lagos State Police Command Public Relations Officer Benjamin Hundeyin confirmed the development, and he says Mohbad's corpse has been exhumed and medical experts have successfully concluded the autopsy on the corpse tonight. Our concerns as the police is the outcome of the autopsy, as we are expecting results soon, Hundeyin said. The Lagos State Police Command had earlier confirmed the exhumption of Mohbad's corpse on Thursday. It also confirmed the arrest of the nurse who reportedly administered an injection.
I don't know what to say when I'm short of words. I wish Mohbad may actually live the way he lived. And I pray may his soul continue to rest in peace. I pray that whatsoever justice that he needs to get regarding his death, I pray we that are all here together will be able to give it to him.
However, a police officer confirmed that he can't answer questions on the arrest yet, but the nurse is in his custody. Earlier, the Lagos State University College of Medicine Ikeja established that Mohbad's corpse was in the hospital. The chief medical director, Professor Adetokunbo Fambawo, said yes, they are in Lasut premises, but at the pathology department, which works for the Lagos State government, handles cases like this. Recall the acting of the Inspector General of Police, Olukayode Egbetokun, had earlier issued a directive to the Lagos State Commissioner of Police, Idowu Homoha, to initiate a swift and comprehensive investigation into the tragic passing of Mohbad. In a bid to disperse the unruly crowd, the police resorted to using tear gas, which led to a chaotic and distressing scene. Tragically, during the commotion, a young lady sustained a deep injury, adding a sober note to what was meant to be a day of remembrance.
Guys, tear gas! That's tear gas, so tear gas, so. So, toka. I saw one girl with my eye like this. I said she don't keep for that, she don't keep again. Oh, tear gas! Somebody see that my eye, I swear, that's my eye. Be careful now, bros. Yeah, calm down. See them shooting tear gas. Hey! See tear gas everywhere.
As the nation mourns the loss of this young talent, the exhumation and forthcoming autopsy represent a crucial step forward in the pursuit of truth and justice for Mohbad, and his grieving fans await the autopsy result. Justice for Mohbad. For more updates, please comment, follow, like, and subscribe.